With more than 500,000 organisations and 13 million people using it every day, Microsoft Teams is already the biggest collaboration tool on the planet. And for 2020, Microsoft has listened to feedback. It's made Teams more intuitive and responsive than ever before. There are more integrations and industry-specific features, plus chat translation, so you can talk to colleagues in several languages. You can now take part in multiple chats at the same time, share information across different chat groups, and manage private channels, so only specific people have access to your updates. It's all been created to save you time and money, while sharing ideas and collaborating at the touch of a button. Contact us today to arrange a demo and discover what Microsoft Teams can do for your staff.